So today I'm gonna be doing a slime pet peeve video, and the face reveal is at the end of this video. So if you guys really want to see my face that much, so yeah, I'm doing this video for fun, not to accuse anyone, and I finally have good lighting, like it's nature light. So yeah guys, let's get right to the video. So the first one is when someone zooms what am I talking about? When someone zooms in and they think it's a humongous slime. Hey guys, so look at this slime. It's so humongous. Like, look at this. Look how humongous this is. You guys wish you had this slime? Like, oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. It's so good. Like, I love the slime. I love it. I love it so much. Like, look at it. But I'm gonna show you it when I like zoom out, because like it's so humongous. So like, look how humongous this is. Like, you guys wish you had this. Isn't it so humongous? So humongous. But yeah guys, that's all I gotta say. Bye. Next is when the slime breaks when like you try to stretch it. So yeah. Hey guys, so today I have this very stretchy slime and it's very squishy. I'm gonna show you guys up close. Like, look at this. Very squishy. Very squishy. Very squishy. So yeah, and now I'm gonna stretch for you guys. Let me just place the camera back down. So like, look how stretchy this is. Oh my gosh, the camera's about to fall. Oh my god, look at this. So, I'm gonna stretch for you guys. I'm gonna stretch it. Okay, you know what, you guys? I'm gonna do this for real. Oh no, it broke. It broke again. Stop breaking slime. I'm trying to do a video. Okay, so yeah guys, I guess this is the end. If you guys saw part of my body, like my hair, it's because I'm on the floor. If you guys see me right now, this is where my hand is. I think you guys saw me. How about I do the face reveal right now? Or actually, later. Okay. I feel like this is gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, how about I do face reveal now? So, are you guys ready for my face reveal? And a 1, and a 2. Oh my god, our camera's going everywhere. And a 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, so this is my face. Oh no. And I'm only doing 2 because my battery is only on whatever percent. And I'm really bored. So I might do a slime I'm at Roblox video, so yeah guys. So hope you guys like this video. Smash that like button. So yeah guys, bye. Look how stretchy this is though. Like, what? Like, you guys wish you had this slime so much. Like, bye.